My name is Eric, and welcome back to another one of these Linux videos where we're going to be doing more stuff. Let's just run a quick neofetch to see where we're currently at, and what we're going to do today is some gaming, because everyone likes games, and I've seen, there's a lot of mixed things on the internet about whether Linux is good or not good for gaming. I've done a bit of gaming before on a normal, desktop setup with KD, but I've never done it on a window manager, and I've always been sort of curious how that's going to work. It might just work really straightforward. I don't know, I actually haven't tried that much or done a whole lot of research, but I know the main thing we need is Lutris. Now, I already have some games on my other NVMe drive and I can download them. I have the GOG version of Cyberpunk, which I think is going to be the first thing we're going to try, because Steam is really straightforward on this. So let's go to our other tab, and now let's run Lutris. There we go, there's Lutris. Checks for runtime updates. I've already installed Wine Staging and some Arch Linux dependencies. So let's go on here and let's go find Cyberpunk 2077 from community installers. Cyberpunk 2077. Okay, GOG. Yeah, obviously Steam would be dead easy. Select installation directory. Now, I don't know how to import stuff from folders into Lutris. I'm sure it's possible, but I don't know how to do it. So if we have to do it this way, that's fine. It's a bit of a way. GOG.com Windows installer. Do we have to then go to GOG.com and try and... Okay, well, let's try and do that. So we'll go here, GOG.com, go on Mother Monitor and get up my Bitwarden. I don't even care about GOG, so have at it. Okay, GOG. Or no, Cyberpunk. Here we go. Now in library, so I'm hoping we can, maybe I gotta go to games, download and install now. Okay, no, actually I don't. Download offline game backup install. Do I actually have to? That's a joke. Okay, well, let's see if we can install GOG Galaxy. Because that would be like a million times easier than whatever that's saying. So that seems... Okay. It downloads... No. I go into downloads. Okay. Open with file manager. Oh, that opens it in a separate window, right. That's just what I didn't want to do. Okay. Okay. I don't know how I opened so many file managers, but okay. So we want to do downloads. And this time it works, and we want this one. Continue. Okay. I'm going to install Wine Mono. Stuff. Oh, 100% syncing cloud storage. Now it's just downloading my save file. Okay. Failed? Okay, well, let's just kill this. And then we don't remove game files. Okay. Let me cancel this. Oh, Lutris quit, of course, but we can reopen it. Now let's see. Hopefully. Okay. 2077 community. Okay, and now I reckon if I well, that's okay. Do install. Now we can find our GOG.com and maybe let's see what's in games. Did it delete the game files without telling me? Let's just see. That's gonna be frustrating if that's true. I was really hoping that it was not gonna do that. Okay, screen layout, config. It's not gonna be under config. Okay, that... We could... Okay, I'm gonna look up how to do this, because I refuse to believe that I need to download 20 different files. Lutris Cyberpunk. Oh, the Steam version. Well, that's... They could definitely get that working using... Okay. Okay, so how about... Because apparently there's a community installer for... yes. There's a community installer for GOG Galaxy. Okay. So we've installed GOG Galaxy. Okay, and this is actually okay if it opens here. Okay, this seems to be running better than it did last time, which is good. Did not run well last time. Okay. Okay, so now we can install Cyberpunk. That'll be another 80 gigabytes. I should have tried it. I should have done a smaller game. But at least this time it's not going to completely break, I hope. Okay. Well, there we go. Let's see if we can do anything. It's just that. Owned games. Still... Okay, so I just attempted to run the exe. I downloaded it again through GOG Galaxy, but this time I used the GOG Galaxy prefix, and it seems to, well, it sort of stalled on the save file sync. I don't really care about that. I can live without that. If everything else works... Well, we've definitely gotten further. Good to see. And if we were a bit concerned about how full screen was going to work, it works just fine. Okay. And keys work, although for whatever reason it thinks I'm using a controller. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay. We'll want to turn that down. Disable copyrighted music and turn master volume down to like... That's a good level of master volume. Okay, it doesn't have our save file, so we'll just we'll just go. We'll just play a little bit of this game just to see if it works well. I did Nomad, which fits me more. Okay, let's do the opposite. Oh, this is just loading screen. I'm sort of interested to see, because I know Valve added support for DLSS, so I don't know if we can have that, because this game doesn't run very well on the 2080 Ti in 4K on Windows without DLSS, so I wouldn't... Okay, yeah, this is... Okay.
V, you there?
Okay, let's see if we can turn down these settings. So we want to go to graphics, ultra, ray tracing off. Okay, we can turn on RTX. Okay, no, we can't turn on RTX. Okay, so no DLSS. We can have fidelity effects. Okay, let's go for like 60. And we can do this.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. You all right? Fine. Just needed a breather. Sounded like you blew your guts airlock. Yeah. I barfed. It's just stress. Esa chamba te va a matar.
Everyone's a critic, not dead yet. Yeah, let's go for not dead yet.
Don't worry, I'm not dead yet. Exactly. Yet. Anyway, what's going on?
Oh, do I work for Arasaka in this version? That's interesting. I didn't even notice that.
My boss called. Dragged me in because we had to intervene. Everyone in Night City HQ is on edge. But no way you're fucked, right? You're the one who fixes other people's shit. Jackie, if you work in Arasaka counter intel, you're always fucked.
Gotta go.
Listen, gotta go. Work won't do itself. Buena suerte.
Okay. First feel free to disable hints. Okay. So, want to do continue? I don't know what the controls are on this. Okay, well that worked. Okay. Leave the boardroom. Bathroom, whatever this is. Okay. It's probably F. Yeah, it is F. Okay, so the frame rate... I don't know what the bottom... Okay. Oh, the OBS recording is probably terrible. So I will chop most of this out if it's unwatchable. But okay, I'm going to try and turn down the settings a bit. See if we can improve this a little bit. Let's get rid of all of these because they don't look good. Motion blur ruins YouTube quality. That one's pretty minor. Okay. Oh, just advanced. All of this is advanced. Okay. Shadow quality will go medium. Turn everything down. Mirror quality, level of detail. Okay. There we go. That's decent.
Arasaka's counterintelligence division effectively secures a corporate summit in Jakarta, foiling 45 plots to attack.
Like, while the frame rate isn't great, I find, and I've noticed this before, that the visual, like, the picture quality is better. I don't know if that's because of high DPI or what.
Got held up, but I'll be right there.
Fucking Frankfurt. That Abernathy bitch will probably dump it in our laps. Ugh, hanging up. I'll be in my office. And you hurry up.
Comparatively, though, I'd say, like, this was good enough. The only thing that sucked was having to download the whole game again. I kind of want to try and... Okay, can we... Save game. I kind of want to Alt F4 and try and get
System security confirmed.
We'll talk later.
Okay. The graphics are nice. I kind of want to try and... Okay, let's just Alt F4 this. Oh, well, that worked quickly. Okay. Okay. And now... see about installing... Let's try and see if the... Didn't make any progress. Okay, so let's kill this process. Go back to games. Okay. Cyberpunk. Now I wonder if I can just GOG. Okay. Now can I just go to my prefixes? Okay. Games. Oh, that's just this folder. And now we want to go drive_C, program files x86, GOG Galaxy, Cyberpunk, bin. This might not do what I want it to do. But I reckon if I can just get it to open the game and then quit, that might create the wine prefix that I want. Okay. Whoa, Cyberpunk has crashed. Don't send. Okay. Okay, that failed epically. Okay, so we're gonna have to stick to that. So, if we change the runner options here, because there's a command you can use. Okay. Oh, apparently there's a toggle for it. Maybe I have to enable advanced. NVIDIA. Okay. Show advanced options. Yeah, oh, we've already done that. Okay, so we have to do DLL overrides. Okay, so we need to add NVAPI.dll. Okay, and then we want to do NVAPI64.dll and native. I'm just gonna Google and just double check this. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna assume that's roughly correct. Now we're gonna try this again. I'm sure there's a more efficient way of doing this, but for now this is what we're doing. Okay, now we need games. Bin. 64, Cyberpunk. Okay, now we're going to find out if our NVAPI hacks worked, and we now, if they did, then we should be able to enable DLSS and RTX and also get good performance. Settings. Graphics. Okay. Oof. Okay, so that did not work. So I'm going to give up on that now. I don't know. I have no idea how this works. It might even be as simple, just looking at what I'm seeing on Google, as needing...
Emergency protocols active. System security confirmed.
It might be as stupid simple as just needing to type the name and not the .dll. Okay, though. The graphics in this game still look nice. Why hit Alt-Tab instead of Alt-F4? Which tab is this under? How do you even... It's not this one. Okay, it's this one. Okay. So I think that's going to be... I was going to do more, but I think given how much time we spent on Cyberpunk, and given that other games should work roughly the same, I think that's going to be enough for this video. That was challenging, but it did work, and it worked pretty well. I would say, given that we can't run DLSS, it ran about the same as it would on Windows, and I think the image looks better. I don't know if that's a high DPI issue or what. So that's going to be all for this video. Please leave a like and a comment if you've enjoyed it.